Hello, I'm Dr. Alfredo Paredes. I'm a board-certified prosthodontist in Murrieta in San Diego, California. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to take this opportunity to invite you to come to our continuing education course on TMJ disorders and how it's treated by using splint therapy. As a dental student, I first got interested in how to fabricate deprogrammers. As a post-resident at Loma University, I further improved my skills and knowledge on how to fabricate the deprogrammers and treat patients with TMJ pain. In private practice, we have patients that come to us that we treat TMJ with this splint therapy, and we can get a patient out of pain from 2 to 4 days, up to weeks, and it can take up to months. But this is a great opportunity for you to learn diagnosing a patient and also proposing a treatment for them. Also, we're going to have the privilege to have a master ceramist that is currently the master ceramist at Loma University, and he will be talking about bioaesthetics on how to design an ideal occlusion to restore function and aesthetics for a patient that goes from having pain and discomfort to being treated with splint therapy and getting the patient out of pain, getting the patient ready for the reconstruction, and then how to design the reconstruction that is respecting the biology, providing function and aesthetics. Also, we're going to have the honor to have the Penadent Corporation, which makes dental articulators. And during this presentation, we're also going to learn how to transfer those records that we take in the chair on the patient and how to transfer it to the articulator to accurately design an ideal occlusion to restore aesthetics and function. So it's a well-integrated course, and we are looking forward to seeing you there. And for more information, just click on the link or see the link below, and then we'll look forward to seeing you.